Hi everyone, it's me, Ru, and I'm back again with another episode in our basic series. And today I'll be talking about the LOC and LCO methods and why they might not be working for you. The LOC and LCO methods are basically just moisture routines that you can do daily, every other day, or weekly to refresh your hair and keep it moisturized. LOC stands for liquid oil cream. LCO stands for liquid cream oil. So what these acronyms are just the order of application. Although this is a good starting point on learning to moisturize your hair when you return to natural, it doesn't work for everybody, and I'm going to explain why. We have narrowed it down to 3 main reasons why these methods might not be working for you. Reason number 1 is hydration. See, moisturization is a 2-step process. First you hydrate your hair, and then you seal in that moisture. L is the hydration part of this process. L can stand for liquid or leave-in. Most people's mistake is that their leave-in tends to not have enough water to actually hydrate their hair. So what you need to do is make sure that your leave-in has water as one of the first 2 ingredients in order for it to adequately hydrate your hair. Reason number 2 is the incorrect use of products. The products you're using might just not work for your hair and it's time to let them go. Or you could be using them in the wrong order. For example, if you're using the LOC method, you might have an oil that's more seeding than your cream, and therefore you should be using the LCO method so that your cream can actually penetrate your hair shaft and do all the good moisturizing things before you seal that all in with your O. Or if you're doing the LCO method, you could have a cream that's more sealing than your oil, and therefore you're sealing up your hair with your cream before the oil can actually penetrate your hair shaft and further moisturize your hair. So a tip, you should try switch around your LOC to LCO or your LCO to LOC and see if that works better for you before you completely ditch your products. Reason number 3 is too much or too little. What we mean by that is that the LOC or the LCO method may be too much product for your hair. Your hair could be prone to product buildup, and so using an oil and then a cream could just be too much product for it, and it can clog it up and weigh it down. On the other side of the spectrum, these methods might not be enough product for your hair, and so you should probably add a butter or more oils or more cream to the routine. For example, our co-founder, Dumi, who started off her journey using l.o. because that was enough for her hair, and then at some point her hair wasn't being moisturized by that method, so she upgraded to l.c. So a tip, instead of forcing your hair to try and fit into either the LOC or the LCO method, try different ways of applying these things. So you can try l.o, l.c, l.b, l.o.c, l.c.b.o. Just try it out until you find a method that works for you and your hair.